Hello students, welcome again to another maths class. In today's class we'll be looking at addition of large numbers without regrouping. Okay, so if you've been working with addition of 2 digits and 3 digits and you would like to look at how to add large numbers in the tens of thousands up to 100,000, this video is for you. All right, let's go. So let's take a look at this number. So we have 23,145 plus 54,320. So the first thing you want to do is you want to arrange this number in columns. So for the first number, we have this 1, 4, and 5. So for the second number, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 0, then with our addition sign. So let's start adding. So we're going to add them column by column. So we start, so if you look at this, we have 5 columns. This is column 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we'll add each columns individually. So it's that simple. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So our answer is 77,465. So let's take a look at more examples. So in example 2, we have 61,204 plus 18,735. All right, so let's add it column by column. And the first column from the right, always start, remember you always start from the right. In the first column, you have 4 plus 5, which is 9, 0 plus 3, which is 3, 2 plus 7, which is 9, 1 plus 8, which is 9, and 6 plus 1, which is 7. So our answer is 79,939. So let's take the last example. So in the last example, we have 72,310 plus 16,589. So we add each column. So from the right, we have, in the first column, we have 0 plus 9, which is 9, 1 plus 8, which is 9, 3 plus 5, which is 8, 2 plus 6, again, is another 8, and 7 plus 1 is 8. A lot of 8 in this. So we have 88,890. So there you have it. So this is how we add large numbers. It's very, very easy. So if you've learned a lot from this video, I want you to give this a shot and see how much you've learned and how you can solve large numbers. So if you want more of our videos, you can click the subscribe button. Subscribe, that's how we grow, and also the notification bell to get notified when we drop a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.